cycle day 12, I think. This is my first time doing an OPK. If y'all don't know what an OPK is, it is an ovulation predictor kit, and I got it from the Baby Dust Method. Look them up on Amazon. I will put the link down below if you're interested. But anyway, let us begin. Here goes my pee-pee. 1, 2, 3. This is laid here, and read it in 5 minutes. So when 5 minutes is done, I will be back. Alright y'all, so the results are in, so I'm going to show you what it is and pretty much explain and let y'all know what's our next step. So after 5 minutes of pee, this is what we see. Oh, that's nice. Go me. This is what we see. So Mommy, this right here, the darkest line, is the control line.
Mommy, where's Bree?
At school. Okay, the dark line that you see right there, it is the control line. This one is the test line. So what you're supposed to do is, you're supposed to put this strip in your pee. It doesn't matter what time of day or morning, afternoon, night that you do it. You just put it in there for 3 seconds at the max line. So you see where it says max right there? That is where you would put the pee up to. Do not go past the black line, okay? Do not try to collect more pee. So then after 5 minutes, the results will pop up and it will tell you if your LH has surged or that ovulation is coming within the next 24 to 48 hours. So as you can see, mine is negative because the control line, which is the dark line, is the test line is lighter than the control line. So once it's positive, both of the lines will be the same exact color. So as it says right here as well, interpretation of results. This is what an LH surge would look like, which lets you know that you'll be ovulating within the next 24 to 48 hours and to do the baby dance, okay? Or not to do the baby dance. Either way, if you're not trying to get pregnant or you're just doing it to track when you're ovulating so you know not to have sex on those days so you won't get pregnant. But this is what LH surge would look like if it's positive. This right here, which is how mines look, as you can see up there. See how it's dark and then light then dark. This one right here is no LH surge. So the control line is dark and then it's like a light pink, like a faint color. And then it's invalid if just the control line shows up. So if the dark line shows up, then just the dark line and nothing else, you'll have to do another test. So we will check again at 8:43 p.m. and I will let you know the results, or I'll just let you know in tomorrow's post. Okay? Bye. What's up? What is good, YouTube? So today, I don't know what time it is. I know when I woke up it was like 9:53 or something like that. It was 9:53 and I was supposed to be taking my basal body temperature with the thermometer and charting that down. I did that, so, and put it into my calendar. Then all of a sudden the calendar want to be like, yeah, you're not gonna ovulate. When we thought you was gonna ovulate, you gonna ovulate on this day. And I was like, well, how the hell am I supposed to ovulate on that day? How? I mean, how? I don't know. But yeah, so I took my morning, why did I just have a brain fart? Anyway, I took my morning OPK. I wanted to do it live, but y'all, as soon as you wake up, you ain't thinking about it. You trying to pee as fast as you can because you've been holding it for 6 hours. So yeah, but I did not record it. I promised the one for lunch I will record it for you guys and I will put it down below. But I don't want to make this long because this is gonna be like the whole cycle days of when I was doing it. So yeah, anyway, let us go and see what we got. All right guys, so this is my OPK progression from the 12th. So as you see, I took it on the 12th at 8:43 and then 1:52. And those both were both faint, but they're all the same color. See, that's the only thing I don't like about these, is they're the same damn color. The control line and the test line are both the same color until we get to this day here, cycle day 13, which is today. I took it at 10 a.m. I don't know if I should wait for it to completely dry all the way to the white background is showing. But to me, that is looking like a big fat motherfucking positive, bitch. That is a positive. So, yeah, that is looking like it's a positive. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. And Facebook had put me on a block or a hold. They should blocked my ass. Yes, they should blocked me. So I'm not able to post on the group that I'm a part of, which is the Baby Dust Method group on Facebook, where you try to gender sway your gender sway. Yeah. So as I said, we was trying for a boy. So I've just been messaging the admin, and she's been kind of helping me through it, because as I said, it's my first time. I don't really know what the hell I'm doing, but that is looking like a positive motherfucking test, okay? So if it is, I am baby dancing tomorrow and the day after that. I want to do it today, but I'm scared if I do it today, I'm gonna get me a girl. So, and I told hubby, if he give me a girl, I'm leaving him. So yeah, but that is all I wanted to say for this cycle day 13, January 14th, 2018. Signing out. Okay, what is up, guys? So okay, so I have at least 5 cycle days of OPK progressions to show you guys, just so you can see how it looks, what it looks like so far, and what my plan was, what I did, and all that good stuff. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is. It is morning time right now. It is about to snow. The kids are stuck at home. Hubby is at school. Yay. So let's get this party started. See you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share with your friends who is also TTCing or would like to know more information about TTC. Okay, so as you see here, I started on the 12th. Okay, even though my period ended on the 6th, I started on the 12th in the morning time. Cycle day 11. I had two tests a day. These were all faint. Then cycle day 12, faint, positive. This was my big fat positive on my thing. So this was the first one. This happened at 10 o'clock in the morning. So what we decided to do, since we're swinging for a boy, we decided to have on the 14th. I mean, this was the 14th. So we decided to do baby dance on the 15th. So then it went back to light, then back to dark. Then the same, darker. I don't know what this was about. This was a crazy one, because you see all the dye on the side like that. But yeah, so it was dark then too at 2:28 p.m. Then it was the same as all the other ones, and we baby danced there too. You see the hearts, we baby danced. That was at 10. And then this is the one that I just took on the 17th, 9:57, and this is what it looks like. To me, it looks like it is still, it went back negative. So look how dark the control line is, y'all, and the test line. So yeah, that's my progression so far.